Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today's topic is about the washing machine. If the washer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy things you can try to get this appliance back up and running. If your washer is not filling properly, you will have two water valves, hot and cold. They may be marked or signified by a red or blue knob or switch. If they're not marked, the hot water valve is located on the left and the cold water to the right. Remember that even if you always wash in cold water, some washers won't operate unless both valves are open. If your machine is getting water but fills very slowly, you may just need to open the valve more. If your washer valves are open and the washer still won't fill, you may have a clog in one or both filter screens. You can unplug the machine and turn the water valves off. Then you can unscrew the hoses from the machine and use a bucket to catch any water remaining in the lines. Then check to see if the screens are clogged. A simple cleaning may do the trick to get your washer up and running again. If the filters are beyond cleaning, then you can just replace them. If your water pressure is not adequate, test the water pressure at another faucet in the house. If the water flow slows down when another faucet is used, the water pressure may be too low and should be checked. The minimum water pressure should be 20 psi. A restriction in the main line or valve that isn't fully open can cause this problem. If you're still encountering issues with your washer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But by doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that call can save you time and some money. I hope this information helps. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.